everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a birthday haul. I say birthday haul too, but it's kind of like September purchases. I'm totally one of those people who's like celebrating their birthday all month long. Anything that I get in the month of September, I'm like, I got that for my birthday. And so I kind of consider the Paris haul also part of this. I don't know, it's just like, I feel good about it. Anyway, so these are a mix of things that I got gifted by my husband, that I bought myself specifically for my birthday, and that also just happened to come in during this time. Two quick things. There's construction going on next door, so if you hear jackhammering, we're just gonna muscle through it. The robot vacuum is going and ruining my life. It's just, you know, life comes at you fast. It is what it is. I also wanted to say, I recognize that this is like a lot of stuff recently between Paris and this. And then also what happens is whenever I go on a trip and I come home, I kind of start looking at everything differently. I don't know, like I kind of come home and I want to like burn it all down, sell it all, start fresh. And so I was doing, like I did a major closet sale on my Instagram. More of it went to Poshmark. I started using a Poshmark consignment service where you just like dump a bunch of things in a bag and then ship it off to someone and they deal with it and they get to keep half, which I think is like pretty fair. So I'm like, you do the work, I get like a little, like literally Starbucks money. And so, but I've been like cycling things out. I think my body changing, plus the seasons changing, plus like I'm just going through, this is maybe even veering into a separate video, but I feel like I'm entering a new fashion chapter. Right around 2020, I got rid of like all of my Louis Vuitton bags. Maybe it was 2021. And I went all in with Chanel. And now I'm like realizing that I have 8 Hermes bags in a collection of 25 bags plus SLGs. And I'm like, that's all. And I feel the transition continuing to happen. And I don't know, there's like a new fashion chapter starting. And so we might explore that in another video. But for now, let's get into the birthday haul because it's fun and it's really good stuff. Okay, starting with a gift that I got from my husband. I'm so excited for this. So I have a record player and I literally bought a record player specifically. You're either gonna love it or hate it, specifically to listen to Taylor Swift's records. Just because that's what I wanted to do. And then the other day, he was literally looking for a folklore record. And I was like, oh, well, I don't have that one. It's sold out. And she's like, hasn't pressed anymore. And he was like, oh. But then, so for my birthday, he bought me this special edition folklore record. This is the Long Pond studio session and it's still sealed. And I'm like, oh, it's really cool. So this was a special one that was pressed just for Record Store Day in 2023, so it's actually really hard to find, really special gift and really thoughtful. And if you don't have the record, don't have a record player, you can still hear all these songs. I think they're on Spotify, but she also has a Disney Plus special on the Long Pond Studios. So if you're into Taylor Swift, you already know about it, obviously, but if you're just beginner, maybe you're interested. Okay. Next, he also got me, while we were in Paris, I had no idea, the ombre Paris style. So the room spray that I bought in my Paris haul is rumored to be the original Ritz room spray, but this is the official Ritz room diffuser. So this is the one that they sell in the store. And it comes in this really pretty bottle and you just do like the reed sticks, like this sort of thing. And it smells really good. So very pretty, very chic, something I wanted, but wasn't gonna necessarily buy myself. This bottle bears the emblematic Ritz Paris Suites key, which has been in use since the hotel's opening in 1898. An amber heart, a touch of black peppercorn, sorry, I can read, with notes of jasmine, mild tobacco, and tonka beans. Let the perfume of ombre Paris style, the hotel's iconic scent, transport you to the Ritz Paris. I would like to be transported to the Ritz Paris. And so I thought that was a really, really, really sweet gift. And then finally, he got me one of my favorite things ever. Look at this box. This is a box from Desmond and Dempsy. It is a think an English brand. I don't know. Does this say where they shipped from? No. Let's see, the phone code is 023. Is that the UK? I think it might be. Anyway, sounds like the UK. I got a pair of these beautiful cotton pajamas. These are my second pair of pajamas from them. Yeah, 100% cotton. And they're just like the most luxe but pretty but nice pajama set. And so they're like really lightweight. If you're like a warm sleeper, you need something like this. They're so good. And they wash really, really well. And they come in this really pretty box. Just like, look how cute. The elephants, and the birds, and the monkeys. But it's also like chic, you know? I love those. Love, love. And then, oh, this is the tissue paper it comes wrapped really nicely. And it says, we believe that Sundays are worth savoring. We believe in the restorative power of doing nothing. Amen. Rotting in your pajamas. Yes, please. Let's go. Okay. Next, some things I bought myself. So this is something that just happened to come. It matches my scarf, you guys. I had to get it. It just happened to arrive while I was in the throes of like my birthday celebration. But how cute is this for when it gets cold? Oh, I'm so cold. I'm wearing my little hat and my little scarf. Okay. I think it's cute. It's totally something you need every day of the week in California. Ooh, baby. Okay. No, I'm choking. Okay. Then I got this Hourglass. I'm sorry, I'm choking. My own joke. I got this Hourglass cosmetic little gift box. Yes, you did have to pay extra for the gift box, but I sprung for it because I was like, it feels more birthday that way. I don't know. It's just kind of like a nice thing. And if you're following me on TikTok or Instagram, you'll know I wasn't sure about this when I got it, but I peeled off the sticker and I decided that it wasn't used, even though people were trying to gaslight me on TikTok being like, girl, you're overreacting. I'm like, look at the sticker and tell me I'm overreacting. No, thank you. I have used it now. So this is the Hourglass holiday palettes. They're viral every year. This is actually the first one I've ever bought. Do you believe that? I had like a trio one way back in the day. I didn't really know what I was doing with it. I kind of used it like a highlighter. So there's 2 finishing powders, a bronzer, a highlighter, and 2 blushes. It's just really like a topper thing. This is very, very light. This is the lightest one, but actually I feel like it works well for me. I like it. I mean, the bronzer, maybe not my favorite. You can see, barely. All right, so there's the jackhammering. You hear that? It's fine. We have to proceed. And I got the matching brush, of course, cute. And I got a little mascara sample. And it comes in a really, like, it's a nice gift to get yourself. With the gift box, spring for the gift box, treat yourself. It's like a moment. It's a moment. Packaging. Speaking of packaging, this is becoming a thing. It's becoming, see, when I say I'm entering a new era, I'm entering a new era. So Miu Miu's kind of, she's coming in. She's taking on things. I know my New Year's resolution was stick to Chanel, but I'm needing to spread my wings a little bit, and I'm really enjoying it. And I know that I'm doing it right at a time where Miu Miu's coming into like some controversy with the quality. So I'm trying to be really self-aware of that, but I don't know, I love this stuff. Also, I already wore this. I just put it in the box for presentation purposes. I got this cute little gray cardigan with the little Miu Miu logo, of course. Just 100% cashmere, sweet little thing. Easy and kind of like vibing my new, I don't know what it is. And then finally this, the tie, these elastics. Okay. This one, you guys are gonna be so shocked. But this is what I mean when I say I'm like undergoing a style evolution. When I say that, this is what I'm talking about. because what is this? What? What is this? What's going on here? What got into my head? I love it though. I also already used this. I used it the day before my birthday. We went out to dinner with friends. First of all, the brown color, I die. Second of all, it fits a ton. It fits a giant phone. I think I have my phone right here. Yes, I do. It fits so much. You could fit a whole hot dog in here. Probably 3 hot dogs, no bun, 1 hot dog with a bun. I want to keep this card, I think. Just throw that in there. Little textile interior. Cute. Giant phone. And it would fit, it fit my wallet. It fit like this, my card holder, 3 lip glosses, and a pair of sunglasses. It fits a lot. It's secretly big. And a hot dog. So funny. I love it. I will say that the tiny little holes in the strap, I adjusted it one, so it's on the second to last one on both sides. So sometimes when you see it, this might be longer because you can adjust it. The holes are not punched super well because they're so tiny. I think there's just like a little bit left over. So that did take some doing. And for a, whatever, $2,000, $1,000 bag, you wouldn't want that. But I don't know. I think the leather's really nice. I'm also calling this an SLG. Don't be mad, because it's actually not in the bag section at Miu Miu. So this counts as one of my SLGs. And I actually sold 2 SLGs. We'll have to do a different video, things I sold and why, because, well, the why is because I'm like changing and evolving as a person. But we could do the things I sold video, kind of go through that. But yeah, I'm liking this. You're either gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. You're either gonna be like, Maddie, I get you fully and truly and I understand you. Or you're gonna be like, you are a stranger to me and I'm gonna go watch a safer channel now. But this is where I'm at. Anyway, that was my little birthday gift haul. I'm so happy for everything. I feel so lucky. I got to spend time with friends and my husband, and we went out to dinner, and then we also did champagne and caviar at home on my actual birthday, and my husband baked me a pineapple upside down cake from scratch, which I also loved. And yeah, I had a really great day, and I hope to have a really great year. And oh, I almost forgot to show you these shoes. Let me show you the shoes really quick before I go. Also considered as part. These are from K, I think. Yeah, 25K. I mean, duh, right? Okay, obvious. This, like it all, these are still a part of the formula. This part of me is not going away. The other parts are evolving, so get excited. Okay, anyways, now I hope you're having a really great day. Now I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. And now I will say, if you're not already subscribed and you're into luxury fashion and you wanna know what's going on with me, why don't you subscribe? Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.